Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. If you have a wedding coming up and you're looking for the perfect little outfit for your ring bearer, check out this 5-piece suit ensemble from the Visaccy store. So one of the things that make this particular brand unique is they offer such a broad range of sizes. When we were shopping around, we needed a 5T and a size 12 because both my boys were ring bearers. And this was one of the only brands I could find that offered in such a wide variety of sizes. So something to definitely consider if you have multiple ring bearers of different ages. Not only that, but they nailed all the beautiful formal details. You have the satin silk tie, the pleated detail on the shirt that definitely makes it look a little more formal, the clear buttons, great quality. It has this nice lining on both the vest and the suit jacket. It's a 3-button vest, 2-button suit jacket. And I think my favorite detail is the little faux pocket square. So cute. The pants are also adjustable, which I always love. Then I don't have to worry if they're going to fit around my boy's waist, because my one son in particular has a really tiny waist. So that's a plus. I know I'm a little partial, but they truly looked so handsome in these. And we dress up twice a week for our place of worship too. So these have been perfect because we're wearing them past the wedding as well. And because you have so many different pieces, you can kind of mix and match and pair it and make it an outfit of your own, which is what we've done. So I highly recommend them. The value's great, the quality is perfect, and the details are superb. But that's just my point of view.